Good morning, students. Myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya. We are studying morphology of flowering plant. So we come to last of this chapter. Topic is description of some important families. We have three families. One of them, Fabaceae, is described here. Fabaceae. Listen. Yesterday we should study that some characters are written, that is called semi-scientific description of these family. First of all, we write characters, vegetative characters, and then after reproductive characters. Reproductive characters means there is two types of growth in plant. First is called vegetative and second is called reproductive. Whenever reproductive growth is start, then vegetative growth stops, or we can say whenever vegetative growth stops, reproductive growth starts. And reproductive means the floral arises in the plant. Whenever the floral arises, then the vegetative growth is stops. So look at the characters. First of all, habit and habitat. The family Fabaceae have trees, shrubs, herbs and root with nodule, means legume plants are found in this family, and legume has a bacteria associated with their roots, and that is called root nodule. Root with nodules means the bacteria live in symbiotic association with their roots. Stem, erect or climber. In some plants there is a erect stem is found, and in some plants there is climber stem is found. Next, leaves alternate, simple or compound, pulvinate at the base, means petiole is swollen, that is called pulvinous, and reticulate type of venation is also found in these plants. So these are the characters of plant which we are studying here. Now reproductive character. The reproductive part of a plant is flower. So we have to read the characters of flower. First of all, inflorescence. Inflorescence, we study three types of inflorescence. First of all, racemose, second cymose, and third special. So we have write only one name among these three. So in Fabaceae family, inflorescence is racemose type. Then flower complete, bisexual, zygomorphic. Two types of flower, zygomorphic, actinomorphic or asymmetrical. So here zygomorphic condition is found. Calyx, number of calyx, sepals 5, means each part of calyx is called sepal, and there is 5 sepal. Gamocephalous, imbricate, estivation. I tell you about estivation. Estivation is the arrangement of calyx and corolla in flower, that is called estivation, imbricate. Corolla, 5 petals, means each part of corolla is called petal. So there is 5 petals. Polypetalous, papilionaceous and vexillary estivation. These estivation we show in the floral diagram now. Androecium, 10 androecium, didelphylous, means stamens are lived, 10 stamen. Each part of androecium is called stamen. There is 10 stamens and they can live in 2 groups. So they are called didelphylous. Gynoecium, monocarpellary and superior ovary. And mono means only single pistil is present. Fruit type, legume, seed, non-endospermic. Floral formula, sign of percentage. This is the sign of bisexual flower. Number of sepals 5, and they are conjoined with each other, so we can write them into the bracket. And petals they are live in three groups, 1 plus 2 plus 2. 2 are jointed, so these are written in bracket, and then stamens are 10 and they live in two groups, 1 plus 9. 9 are conjoined with each other, so they are written in the bracket, and superior ovary and only single pistil is present. So these are the characters of family. Now we have to draw floral diagram, and you have to remember that in biology only a single diagram which is not nominated, and that diagram is floral diagram. So you can see here I am drawing floral diagram. You have to learn properly because the structures are showing their nomination, because floral diagram is not nominated. So floral diagram is not nominated, their structure can particularly show their name. Means whenever we draw this type of structure, then it means it is calyx. These structures are called calyx. Look at here. One sepal is covered by two adjoint sepals. One sepal is outer side and rest are of imbricate side, velvet side. ठीक है, ये पोजीशन भी शो कर रहे हैं इम्ब्रिकेट एस्टिवेशन की. और दूसरा देखिए वैक्सिलरी एस्टिवेशन है. तो वैक्सिलरी एस्टिवेशन में अपन ने पढ़ाया था एक बड़े आकार का और दो इस प्रकार से कॉन्जॉइंट, और यहां अपन बनाएंगे मदर एक्सिस. ईच फ्लावर डायग्राम में ये मदर एक्सिस होगा, और उसके बाद में ये एक अपने पास क्या हो गया ओवेरी, एंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड 9. और इन 9 को क्या करो आपस में जोड़ दो. ये ब्रैकेट में 9 है और एक अकेला इधर. तो ये होगी कंडीशन कौन सी, डाइडेफिलस. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला विच इज नॉट nominate floral diagram which is not nominated, because these structures automatically show sepals, these structures automatically show petals, these structure automatically shows androecium, and this structure automatically shows gynoecium. So only a single diagram in biology that is not nominated. So this is the family Fabaceae. In next video we complete this chapter. There is only two families are remain. First is Solanaceae and another is Liliaceae. Only two families are remains, and that family is also studied under these characters. Thank you for today's class.